Capricorn, hi! Welcome to Mystic Queen PH at ito ang inyong weekly reading for June 17 to 23, 2024. So if you are interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Paki-check nyo na lang. Let's see, Capricorn, what's up with you this week? So kung meron kayong maririnig na kulog sa background, umuulan kasi. Okay, so let's see, Capricorn, what's up? What's coming? The South Node, energy from your past. Baka maaring you will be reunited with someone from the past, or pwede rin meron kang dating ginagawa na babalikan mo. No? Pwedeng dating trabaho, dating business, dating career. You also have opposition confrontation. Okay. So, yung iba, pwedeng meron kayong makakausap, like parang may confrontation or issue, conflict with someone from the past. Ito yung tipong baka mag-message sa'yo, person from the past. This can be a romantic person or a family member, a friend. Tapos mauuwi sa away. Or parang meron kayong argument, no? Pag-aawayan. So, you also have Neptune energy, which is about your vision, about your creativity, yung imagination mo. So, if you are into arts, creatives, so mas magiging marami kang ideas ngayon to try, yeah. Ikaw ay isang artist, you are someone who works in a creative field. Let's see your overall energy. The Knight of Swords. So, ayun, medyo parang meron, ito kasi yung pagmamadali, no? So, pwedeng meron kayong mamadaliin, aasikasuhin. Oo, errands ngayong week na to. What is your possible challenge? The Emperor. Okay, so as a challenge, I feel like medyo magiging magulo yung inyong schedule. So, kung sa tingin mo, marami kang kailangang asikasuhin gawin this week, so, kailangan na-manage mo na yung oras, panahon mo, may schedule ka, para lahat ng kailangan mong ma-accomplish, matatapos mo for this week. Oo, it needs a lot of, discipline, yan, and structure. Determination. Yan, para matapos mo. Let's see your opportunity. You have the Judgment card. So, meron kang opportunity na baguhin or i-transform yung sarili mo to a better version of yourself. So, maaring nare-realize mo na, oy, teka, may kailangan na akong ayusin, i-improve para sa yung personal development, diba? This can be sa iyong physical self, sa body mo, or sa mindset mo, or anything that you want to become a better version of yourself. And yung dating ikaw, yun yung ile-let go mo na sa tingin mo ay hindi na helpful or in alignment sa mga goals mo. Kung dati, mabilis kang tamarin. Oo, so, nalaman mo or na-realize mo na hindi naman nakakatulong yung gano'n na laging tinatamad. So ngayon, you will give yourself an inspiration para lalo kang ma-motivate na ma-achieve mo yung mga goals mo every time. Okay? So, let's see your blessing. What's the blessing ng mga Capricorn? You have Temperance. So, this is the blessing of patience and also good health. No? So, some of you, meron kayong kailangan ayusin related to your health. So, this week, you will also focus on that. And, mas kalmado kayo ngayong week na to. Okay? Although, meron kayong mga gustong madaliin, mas makakatulong na planuhin nyo lahat para magawa nyo, ma-accomplish nyo yung kailangan nyo matapos, para hindi kayo yung nagkakram, no? Yung parang na-frustrate. Di kalmado pa rin kayo, 'di ba? What is the Knight of Swords? The Star. Okay. So, some of you, marami kayong asikasuhin related sa inyong mga pangarap, yung mga goals ninyo for this week. You will be talking to a lot of people this week. You have the Nine of Cups as your challenge. Yeah, I feel like yung motivation mo talaga, yan yung challenge mo. Saan ka kukuha ng magmo-motivate sa'yo? Or ano yung pwede mong isipin, no? Pwede mong gawing inspiration. Okay? Your opportunity, the magician. Yes, you have the power that you need. You are the magician. Kumbaga kayang-kaya mong gawin kung ano yung sa tingin mo na naiisip mo na pwede mong i-create, no? Sabi nga, what your mind can conceive, your body can achieve, no? Something like that. You are stepping into your own power. This is also manifestation, no? So, manifestation requires action. So, if you take action in alignment sa manifestation mo, then definitely it will happen. What is the Temperance card? Wow, the Sun. This is confidence. This is happiness. This is clarity, no? Mental clarity. So, I think yung blessing rin sa'yo is ito yung hinahanap mo na na motivation, makukuha mo ngayong week na to, malalaman mo rin yan. Or magkakaroon ka ng source of inspiration ngayong week na to para you will be able to get things done, para magawa mo yung mga dapat mong gawin. Ano ba yung mga nagpapamotivate sa inyo, Capricorn? Bukod sa pera. Diba? Confusion. So, I think ito na yung clarity. Oo. Confirmation. Merong codependency. Oh, okay. So, some of you, maaring you will break free, no? Parang aalis ka sa isang codependent relationship or situation. Okay. Ito na yung yung inyong inspiration, no? Something that will encourage you, will stimulate you. So, whatever this is, ito yung magpapalakas ng loob mo na i-pursue yung gusto mo. Kasi minsan, no, kapag alam natin na may limitation tayo, ginagawa na nating excuse yan na, hindi ko kasi kaya yan, or it's not my, cup of tea. So, what is your cup of tea? Diba? Yun yung hanapin mo. What's your cup of tea? Yes, just do it daw. Procrastination will not bring success. Kailangan daw, you have to put your effort. Put your plans into action. So, pagdating sa trabaho, business, career, napaka-importante na nagtitake ka ng action towards your goals. Kumbaga, hindi mo lang siya laging iniisip, pinaplano, ina-execute mo rin. Some of you, meron kayong talent sa pagsusulat, content creation. So, your words are really powerful to influence other people. So, you can, kumbaga, you can monetize that, or you can leverage that talent, no? So, meron ka mga ipaprocess na mga documentations, business permits, or whatever pang mga permits na kailangan mo ma-accomplish this week related sa business mo or sa trabaho mo. Or meron ka mga asikasuhin na legal matters. Oo. Or may mga asikasuhin ka sa government agencies, mga government institutions. Nako, isa yan sa nakaka-stress na errand na kailangan gawin, no? Yung pipila ka, kumbaga, swertihan na lang kung ma-accomplish mo or matatapos mo agad yung agenda mo for the day pag nasa mga government agencies, no? So, magbaon ng maraming pasensya. Okay. Let's see your love life. You have the trust potential. Okay. So, pwedeng iba sa inyo, you are in a situationship. May potential tong relationship na to become a very successful partnership, no? Especially that you are trusting your person, tapos you are also supporting yung personal goals ninyo sa isa't isa. Whether this is a romantic connection or sa family or friends, ang importante is pareho kayong sumusuporta sa mga pangarap ng bawat isa. Okay? And it's very important na ganun yung ginagawa nyo kasi yung magpapatibay ng inyong samahan. Okay? So that is your reading, Capricorn. Thank you so much. Bye!